Good morning everyone. I'm Aditya and welcome back to the channel. It's 8 a.m. and I am in Little Run of Kutch. This is our cottage and there are two rooms. That is our room. And I don't know if you can see, but there are few parrots and pigeons there on the wire. The best part of this resort, at least from our perspective, is it is empty. Apart from us, there is no one here. So it's very silent and we are really enjoying this place. And these are all the fields. So right now some people are working on the farms, so that's why I think you can hear the tractor sound and some music coming from the tractor. Another interesting point which we observed is whatever water we have, the tap water which we use in the washroom, they're all salty water. The reason behind is whatever groundwater is available, it is salt water. And what these resort or hotels or whatever they do around this area is they get the water and they process it so that the salt can be removed, and they will store it for about 7 days and they will be extracting the salt from that water and then they will be releasing it to our rooms. So the plan for our trip is, as you know, yesterday we came from Ahmedabad to Little Run of Kutch, and on the way we went to Madura Sun Temple. We didn't go to any local sightseeing because my dad stayed in Ahmedabad for 3 years. So we used to visit him during summer vacation or Dasara vacation. So we have seen couple of places in Gujarat like Dwarka, Somnath, Junagadh, Pavgarh. So we had seen couple of places. The main areas which we wanted to explore was Kutch, Diu and Statue of Unity, which is newly constructed. So we kept these 3 places as our main focus and then we covered the regions around it. So today we'll be going to Bhuj and tomorrow Kutch, and we'll be staying in Kutch tomorrow. Then we'll be coming to Jamnagar. From Jamnagar we'll go to Dwarka. From Dwarka we will go to Junagadh. On the way we will cover Porbandar, but we have already seen, so if possible we'll cover Porbandar as well. From Junagadh we will go to Somnath. From Somnath to Gir, Sasangir, because we have 2 safaris there in the Gir National Park. And from Gir we will go to Diu, and in Diu we will stay for 2 days. From Diu we will go to Bhavnagar. So after Bhavnagar we will go to Baroda and visit the Statue of Unity. This is our plan. So please join us and we'll explore the beautiful Gujarat. We stopped in this hotel to stretch our legs because we've been driving for 2 hours and we wanted a break. So we stopped here to drink some coffee or tea. So Bhuj is around 250 kilometers from our resort, and it is going to take at least 2.5 hours because just 10 or 15 minutes back I saw that Bhuj is around 150 kilometers away. We came here to have tea, but since entering Gujarat we haven't had any fafda, so we ate that. So far the journey is going good. Now we'll go to Bhuj and maybe we'll stop somewhere for the lunch as well. So yeah, let's continue our journey. This is a salt bed on the way to Bhuj. I think we are seeing this from past 1 or 2 kilometers. So they are extracting salt. Using the windmills, I think they will generate electricity so that whatever is needed to extract the salt, that much energy can be produced. We reached Bhuj. It is around 2:45. We are just 5 kilometers away from the Bhuj city center. We have stopped here at a restaurant for having lunch. Originally we thought we will go to Bhuj Fort and then we'll go to room, but we reached early. So what we'll do now is we'll have lunch and we'll go to our hotel. We'll freshen up and then we'll come back to fort because it's very hot right now. I don't think we can even climb the fort. Okay, so let me give you a tour of our half a day apartment. So this is the hall or the living room, and this is the kitchen. We won't be cooking anything, but okay, so we have this, so I can boil some water. I like to drink hot water early in the morning. And this side is the room and washroom. So this is the room, spacing, and this is the washroom. Yeah, I don't think you would like to see washroom. Railway station is close by, so you can see the trains here. So this is it for now. I think I'll see you at 4. So my brother is going there and I am going here, and the car is parked here because we don't know where to go. So we just met one guy. He didn't speak Hindi, we didn't speak Gujarati. He told to go inside, but we don't know which way to go. So my brother is going that way and I'm going this way. So he met some more people and they told to go on the opposite side. So we won't be going here. We have to climb all the way to reach there. This is a very good place, but I feel it's not very well maintained because we didn't find any boards or anything which tells us okay where to go and what are the main attraction points. And there is the temple. So what they have done, or how they have constructed the fort, is this is the fortification line, and you can see it goes all the way around this mountain. Okay guys, I reached the top and it is really magnificent. I can explain you what's happening. So there is this huge mountain and a fortification wall is built around this mountain, and at the top of the mountain is this temple, and there is only one way to get down or to come up, which is via stairs. This was built by the Kingdom of Kutch to obviously to provide defense to the Kutch and Bhuj region. Multiple wars have been fought in this fort. The war was fought between the Mughals and the Kingdom of Kutch, and 3 more wars similarly. So yeah, this is a very beautiful place and lot of history behind it. This was built during the 17th century. Later when the British came, they took over the fort, and after India got the independence, we took it over from the British, and Indian army was using this fort till the earthquake which happened in 2001, I think, if I'm not wrong. So after the earthquake, a separate campus was built for the Indian army and they shifted their base there. So after that, this has become like a tourist spot, and basically this is kind of a ruins of an ancient fort. This is a temple and I came from there. So if you come this way, there is another circular wall, so I'll go there and get the views of the Bhuj city from that side. Okay, so they have blocked this part, maybe because of some construction which is ongoing. I'm gonna stop here and head back now. So normally people come here during sunrise or sunset, because as you can see the views will be really good, but since I came alone and others are waiting and we need to go to other places as well, so we are going to skip this. But if you come here, do stay here till the sunset, but make sure you get down before it gets dark, because there is no lights around here, so you have to be careful. So you can see the sun setting. Okay, for a moment I forgot from where the path is coming. I think this is the right path. Okay, yeah, I have to go down from here. So this is the problem I'm talking about. If you come in the night, it is easy to, you know, kind of get lost, but since this is not a huge area and there is only one path, you can find a way easily. Soulful Journeys. Okay, so I was wrong. That is the path. I got lost and I had to take this route. So there is another temple there, and then maybe go to Swaminarayan temple. After visiting the Bhujia fort, later in the evening we visited Swaminarayan temple. I was not sure if the cameras were allowed inside the temple, so I didn't capture any photos or videos. The temple is very beautiful, and if you come to Bhuj, you should definitely visit the temple. Especially in the night, the temple looks very nice with the lighting. We'll go to our apartment now and we'll have some dinner. Tomorrow we'll be going to Kutch. Maybe by 8:30 or 9 we'll leave the Bhuj to Kutch, and tomorrow we'll be staying in Kutch. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, please leave a comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, you can tell what you don't like about it. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you for watching.